Ngayon lang sila tumawa, kayo nga po masignal dyan. Okay, ayan, kailangan malinis ang kamay, ha? Good, very good.
Satinize daw.
Satinize.
Satinize. So, nala satinize.
Satinize.
Wala siya nang narinyo ka na eh. Satinize.
Alright, so I invite you to rub your hands. Sige, sit straight but not stiff. Yan. I invite you to rub your hands. And as you rub your hands, think of happy thoughts.
Saya.
So when you think of happy thoughts, and you will feel happy. Okay, ano kaya yung happy thoughts? Mga magagandang isipin, mga childhood memories. I love you, sir! Okay, magagandang isipin, ha? Sir Alberto, magagandang isipin! Yes! Malilinis na isipin! Yes! Okay, then, ilagay natin sa ating pisngi, i-charge natin. Ewan po kayo pumikit. Di ba pumikit sabi ng ibang, hindi ako makikita. Feel nyo, mamaya, dami namin ginawa ko na kaganyan pa. Okay, massage. Massage, yan. Alam po niyo, lahat tayo humaharap sa maraming tao, hindi ba? So maganda na minamassage natin yung face natin bago tayo magtrabaho, humarap sa maraming tao. Nakakabata ito. Tinutulungan natin na mag-circulate ng maayos yung dugo. Yung iba nga bumibili pa ng jade roller, di ba? Yan. Pagka araw-araw ko nagaganito, no, alam po ba ninyo, for example, ikaw ay 55 years old, magmumukha kang 54 years old. Pwede na yun. Ano bang differential?
Siya lang katuwid, kapuya rin sige mo hinali. Siya ka lang katuwid.
Okay, next time, bigyan nyo ng libreng facelift ang inyong mga sarili, babanakin ang mukha. Yeah. Pag hindi bumalik, may mga nurses naman dito, tsaka doktor. Ay, na yan. Yan, okay? And then, banat. Tingnan mo nga katabi mo. Banat na mo ka na. Okay, dahan-dahan, balik. Then, massage. Ganyan gawin. Pag nasistress na kayo, ganyan, massage. Okay, and then, very good. Ngayon gagawin natin yung mouth exercise. I invite you to put one hand on your jaw and open wide tayo yung mouth natin, mouth wide open. We will slowly say a, e, i, o, u. Okay, slowly. We say a, e, i, o, u. And let's add letter Y before the vowels. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Parang pag tinanong kayo, kamusta yung ginawa niyo sa ano? Ay, nag-a-i, advance na nga kami, nasa yali-iyo. Ang talino talaga namin. Ready na yung mukha, ready na yung jaw, kasi gagalaw yan mamaya, no? So, ang next natin gagawin ay smiling meditation. Ayan. So, maganda itong grounding activity. Ano to? Application ng living in the moment, no? So, throughout the meditation, nakasmile lang tayo. But let me first explain. May science din yung pag-smile eh. Sige, can you smile? Smile. Yan. May sound yung smile. Yung silence. Sabi ko, smile. Sabi ko, may sound. Lahat na mamaril. Okay. May study na ginawa kagaya nung kanina dun sa laughter, nasa laboratory. Ang tawag sa test or experiment ay spoon biting test or spoon biting experiment. Kutsara, pinakagat yung kutsara, tapos may mga aparatos rin to measure kung nasa-stress ba sila, sumasaya ba sila, nare-relax ba sila. The first person was asked to bite the spoon this way, nakabaliktad, gamit ang kanyang lips. Pili ka ng libro. They found out lumungkot siya. The next person was asked to bite the spoon this way using his or her teeth. Sumaya siya. One time, may nagtanong sa akin isang participant from the first batch, no? Sir, paano pag walang ngipin?
Malungkot.
Hindi ko po alam, hindi ko na problema yun. Sila po yung nag-experiment. No, the secret there is kasi gumagalaw yung cheeks natin eh, no? Pagka yan gumalaw, nagbibigay yan ng message sa brain eh. Masaya siya, masaya siya, masaya siya. Tapos mamaya mag-release nga yan ng endorphin, sasaya ka talaga. No? So, yung iba nga pinapakagat ng ballpen o kaya lapis. Pero ba't kakakagat pa ng ballpen tsaka lapis, eh, umiti ka na lang. Di ba? Ayan. Okay, so I invite you to sit comfortably. Hands on your lap. This is what we will do. I will mention different parts of your body. And the part or parts that will be mentioned, you just have to imagine that the part or parts is or are smiling. Okay? Nakangiti. Yung babanggitin ko parts. Ba't yun yung naisip niyo? Babanggitin niyo po ba yun? Nakangiti po ba yun? Hindi! Lalaktawan natin yan. Sa makakagat tayo. Bahala na kayo dyan. Okay, so close your eyes. And then, since this is a smiling meditation, gusto kong mag-smile kayo. Yung smile na sakto lang, yung hindi nakakangawit na smile. Smile. Let's begin with your eyes. Imagine, kahit kayo nakapikit, imagine that your eyes are smiling right now. Nakangiti ang iyong mga mata kasi nakakakita ka pa. O, i-apply natin yung be grateful. Pasalamatan mo naman yung mga mata mo. Thank you, eyes. You can see yourself using a mirror. You can see your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues. You can see the beautiful creation of God. Now, imagine that your ears are smiling because you can still hear music, noise, sound, voices. Pasalamatan yung ears. Thank you, ears. Imagine that your nose is smiling right now. Nakangiti ang iyong ilong kasi nakakaamoy ka pa. Mabango man yan, mabaho man yan. Thank you pa rin. Nakakaamoy ka. Nakakahinga ka. Imagine now that your mouth and everything in it is smiling right now. Your lips are smiling. Your teeth are smiling. Your gums are smiling. Your ngalangala is smiling. Your tongue is smiling. Yan. Imagine mo, nakasmile silang lahat kasi you can eat, you can drink, you can talk, you can sing, you can express yourself. Punta tayo sa iyong heart. Pasalamatan naman ang iyong heart. Imagine that your heart is smiling right now. Tumitibok yan, working with you and for you. Salamat, heart. Now, we go to your lungs. Imagine mo na yung lungs mo parehas naka-smile. Tinutulungan ka niyang mabuhay, huminga. Working with you as well. Thank you, lungs. Imagine now that your hands are smiling. Nakangiti ang iyong mga kamay. Maraming nagagawa yung mga kamay na yan. So work, no? You can touch, you can feel using your hands. And now we go down to your feet. Imagine that your feet are smiling right now. Because you can balance, you can walk, you can travel. This time, alam ko napakarami pang parts ng katawan natin. Imagine that all parts of your body are smiling right now. Nakangiti mula ulo hanggang paa. Yan. For the last time, give your best to smile. And at the count of 3, slowly open your eyes in 1, 2, 3. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Mukha na siyang angel. Angel condensada. O angel's pizza.
Tulog na
How
yun.
are you? Masarap sa pakiramdam? Nakaka-relax? No? Yan din.